Good news for gun owners. Nothing really actionable, so if you appreciate me being brief and respecting your time, drop a like, drop a comment, send this video to a friend. So, ammunition background check lawsuit. The lawsuit challenging the state's requirement for ammunition to be purchased through a licensed ammunition vendor or a gun store and perform a background check at the point of sale, which prevents you from being able to have ammo shipped to your door unless you have an FFL03 and a COE, which if you look that up on YouTube, my video will show up and you'll learn how to do that. But right now, status quo is that you cannot just have ammo shipped to your door. In order to buy ammo from a vendor or online, it has to go through a gun store or ammunition vendor and you have to do a background check. Those fees are getting more and more expensive as time goes on. And a lot of people get denied even though they shouldn't. Well, there was a win in the 3-judge panel in the Ninth Circuit. 2 of the judges ruled or were of the opinion that the state's ammunition background check system is unconstitutional and the ban on purchasing ammunition and having it sent to your door is unconstitutional. To no one's surprise, one of the judges dissented, and my prediction is that we will be having an appeal from the state of California. An en banc panel will have to hear this, which is an 11-judge panel at the Ninth Circuit, at which point status quo of background checks will remain in effect. That's my prediction on this. Who knows if the state will let this one slide? It's very, very unlikely. They appeal pretty much everything. But what should we be expecting moving forward? What sort of timeline? What are we waiting on? What's the holdup here? Why isn't this all just settled? Okay, so the California Rifle and Pistol Association has until mid-August to appeal the magazine, the standard capacity magazine ban to the Supreme Court. So sometime in mid-August, the CRPA is going to file a petition for the Supreme Court to weigh in on that lawsuit on standard capacity magazines. At some point, probably a year, who knows how long it's actually going to take, the Supreme Court will determine whether or not they will hear it. If they decide to hear it, they will hear it, at which point another significant amount of time will pass, and then they will come to a decision on that. We can only hope that those things move through smoothly, quickly, and efficiently. But if you've been a follower of this channel for a long time, or if you've been into guns longer than I have, you know that that is not how the courts work when it comes to the Second Amendment. So as of right now, status quo. If you want ammo sent to your door, you need an FFL03 and a COE. If you want to buy ammo from a firearms vendor or an ammunition vendor, you will need to do a background check. Is this good? Yes. Is this reason to have hope? Yes. Should you be holding your breath? No. So that's all I got for you today. If you want to support me, drop a comment, drop a like, subscribe if you aren't already. Use any of the links down in the description. It helps me out a ton, allows me to keep making these videos because I do spend a lot of time. Go check out some of my recent gun reviews. For years, people begged me to do gun reviews, and now no one watches them. I'm going to keep making them because I do it for the love of the game. But if you are interested in some firearms, check out what I got to say. Thank you.